Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to see private account photos on Instagram. It's pretty easy. There are mainly two ways to see that. So let's get into the video. There are actually two ways. First one is if the account that you want to see the private photos of is yours and it is currently logged out and you don't know the password or something like that, then you must go to the Instagram help center from the hamburger menu, and if you scroll down you can see a help center of Instagram, and then you can ask for your password change and they will let you change your password through our email code verification. And then you can log into your account and see your photos that are private currently. And if the account is of someone else's and they have made their account private and you want to see their photos, there's only one way that you can do that. Because of Instagram's high encryption security and high security system and high encryption system, we can't see anyone's private profile's picture easily. So all we have to do is just follow them and request them to follow you back, and if they accept, you can easily see their photos and videos by their choice. And yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.